Good work ain't cheap, and cheap work ain't good.
I'm Steve Troyer, owner of East Holmes Auto Repair and Home Performance and Machine in Millersburg, Ohio.
I'm Kasey Butler, co-owner of Holmes Performance and Machine. The Holmes Performance side of things, we're a full-service automotive, industrial, and performance machine shop.
My uncle, who owns Sugar Creek Concrete, I wouldn't be where I am today if it wasn't for him. So he actually built the shop up front. He came to me and was like, "Hey, we can add some bays on for you, and you can do your own thing."
So this is Kasey.
So with East Holmes Auto Repair, our main focus is providing peace of mind for our customers. We have a wide range of customers, but we do cater to fleets.
Building engines for the 6.7 Power Strokes, the Cummins pickup trucks, the Ford trucks, the 6.0s, those are all profitable engines that are easy to work on, especially with this kind of equipment.
I don't know that I would say I'm proud of the thing on the wall, but I'm more proud of Kasey or the guys that had a hand in creating that product.
Racing's tough, this stuff costs a lot of money, and some of these guys are scraping up the best sponsors they can to make as much as they can, make as little, go as far. So when they bring an engine here, they expect everything to be perfect, everything.
Biggest thing that I'm like, okay, wow, that was pretty cool, is the attention to detail on everything that goes out the door.
With the technology we have and with the machining capabilities from the Rottler equipment, we can really narrow those windows down and see the results on the dyno, know that we've done the best job we possibly could do when that engine leaves the door. The very first piece of Rottler equipment we got was the HX85AX, and it's been a game changer. The latest piece of Rottler equipment that we purchased was the EM79, which allows us to do block work from anywhere from a 4-cylinder engine with the 4th axis all the way up to working on an inline 6 Detroit, Caterpillar C15s, and even bigger blocks.
Oftentimes in this industry, there's promises made but no promises kept. Rottler does very well with that, as far as if they say they're going to do it, they're going to do it.
And it's so much more than just the machine at Rottler. The relationships with the other people that we've made in this industry through Rottler, that's just been huge.
I can't take credit for any of it. I took a step of faith when I started the company back in 2016. I made a commitment to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, that I'm going to do my part and the rest I'm going to leave up to Him. In general, our customers appreciate what we do and are grateful to have someone on their side that is capable of serving them to the capacity that we can.